kita berdua bertiga deh. Sama ada anak kecil ini. Ya kita mau mainan motor kecil.
Hey guys, it's Clark. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to play a mini motorcycle. Yes, look at that.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Shut up.
Ready again?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, lepas tangannya, bro.
Udah, done.
Oh my gosh.
This thing cost 7 million and kecepatannya berapa, Ti?
Hah?
Kecepatan.
Kecepatannya
Sekitar.
50.
Okay, the speed is 50 kilometers per hour.
Kayaknya
It's awesome.
kalau nggak 50,
80, it's not 50, 80 kilometers per hour. Awesome! Hello.
awesome.
You. Hah? That's so cool.
Oke guys, bye-bye. Nanti aja dulu deh guys. Kita mau coba lagi. Mama mau coba gak? Boleh.
Okay, it's my turn. Okay guys, ini dia. Standar. Iya udah. Muter. Jangan ngegas lagi. Salah trik tadi. Gaya lu. Langsung aja buat. Oke guys, itulah. Good man. Good. Terus. Up. Ayo. Awesome. Sekali putar lagi katak ya. Nanti kamu. Jangan gaya lu. Nabrak lu. Makanya awas. Awas sih. Sorry guys, tadi gue mau ditabrak. Dia si kecil nih guys. Ikut ini guys, bukannya.
Di sana kan ya.
Yes. Terus. Okay. Wait, where is he? No. He is gone. Oh, he's right there. Woo. Awesome. They're just so epic. What are you doing? He's like, just cannot do it. This thing uses fuel and this motorcycle is real, super real. But it's like so small, look, it's so tiny.
video. Go!